Welcome to Mindverse, where curiosity meets the universe. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to our fun and exciting lesson today. Have you ever wondered where baby animals come from? Just like people, animals also have babies. But did you know that different animals produce their young in various ways? Some animals give birth to live babies, and some lay eggs. That's what makes nature so amazing. Today, we are going to learn about how animals produce their young in 4 different groups: mammals, birds, fish, and insects. Let's explore together. Let's start with the mammals. Mammals are very special animals because they have live babies. That means the baby grows inside the mother's belly before being born. Mammals do not lay eggs like birds or fish. Instead, the baby stays inside the mommy until it is strong enough to be born. Every mammal drinks milk to help them grow. That's how the mammals differ from the other animals. Let's look at some examples of mammals: dog, cats, bear, elephants, horse, monkey, pig. Fun fact: did you know the biggest mammal in the world is the blue whale? It is not a fish. It is a mammal that drinks gallons of milk every day. Now that we've learned about mammals, let's talk about birds. Birds are very different from mammals because they lay eggs. They build a nest to keep their eggs safe. Birds even sit on their eggs to keep them warm so that the chicks inside can grow. When the bird hatches, it is usually very small with no feathers. The parents take care of it, feed it, and protect it until it is strong enough to fly. Here are some examples of birds: the chickens, ducks, parrots, eagles, ostrich, owl, penguin. All of them are birds that lay eggs. Fun fact: do you know the ostrich lays the biggest egg in the world? Why? Because it is the largest living bird on Earth. Hello, little explorers. We just learned about mammals and birds. Now, it's time for a fun quiz. Are you ready? Think carefully. Remember, mammals can born babies and drink milk. Then the bird can lay eggs. Let's go. 1. Which of these animals is a mammal? A parrot? B. Duck, C. Elephant, D. Owl. The answer is elephant. 2. Which of these animals is a bird? A pig, B. Snake, C. Owl, D. Horse. The answer is an owl. 3. Look at the picture and identify which animals are mammals. The animals are bear, panda, goat, and lion. 4. Identify which animals are birds. The birds are duck, peacock, seagull, and vulture. 5. What is the biggest mammal in the world and drinks gallons of milk every day? The animals is blue whales. 6. What bird lays the biggest egg in the world? The answer is ostrich. Hello, little explorers. Do you want to learn more about animal reproduction? If you want to learn more about fish and insects, visit my channel. Thank you for watching.